Listen, you have to be careful for really cheap credit repair. What can happen is you can end up signing up for one of these $100 a month programs, and then what happens next? You're on that program for about 6 months to a year, paying over $1,000. Now, I'm not against paying $1,000 to $1,500 to even $2,000 on credit repair because everybody's case is different. What I am against is taking 6 years to fix your credit. It's taking 6 months, 5 months. Yes, credit can take that long, but why should you have to make a payment plan? Because that can defer the process. See, cheap credit repair has its flaws, but real good quality credit repair, it has a lot of strength. So before you go looking for the cheapest, think about what's effective. Also, think about the results that you want to get. I have clients that have seen results in weeks. That could be you. Imagine you're going through 6 months of credit repair and not seeing significant changes on your credit report. That could possibly be the situation for you. You don't want that to happen. So make sure you invest in really good credit repair. Remember, quantity doesn't always mean quality, but quality is better than quantity. Young executives, I got client testimonials, or you could DM me or post under this post. Leave a comment under this post, like it or share it if you know anybody that may need credit repair. I'm effective, and I'll bring to you that great quality customer service. Many clients, they're concerned about the communication. At Young Executives, we take pride in that.